Angular standalone components are transforming how we build applications. They eliminate the need for NgModules, making your code simpler and more maintainable. Let's see how to declare one. The key to declaring a standalone component is setting the standalone property to true in your component decorator. This single line tells Angular that this component can work independently without being declared in a NgModule. It's the most important part of making a component standalone. Here's the big difference. Traditional components must be declared in a NgModules declarations array. Standalone components skip this entirely. No module declaration needed, no module boilerplate. This reduces code and complexity significantly. Instead of importing dependencies in a module, standalone components import them directly using the imports array inside the component decorator. Need common module or forms module? Just add them to the component's imports. Everything is self-contained and explicit. Important context. Starting with Angular version 17, standalone is the default behavior. When you generate new components, they're standalone by default. This represents Angular's future direction, moving away from NgModules for most use cases. Here's a complete example. We set standalone to true, import common module for pipes and directives, and our component is ready to use. Clean, simple, and modular. This is modern Angular development. Remember, set standalone to true, skip NgModule declarations, import dependencies directly in the component. That's how you build standalone components in Angular. Practice this pattern and you'll write cleaner, more maintainable code. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.